Hey, what's up everybody? Ben with Amera Rent Equipment. Check us out online, www.amerarrentequipment.com. Got a link posted in the corner of the video here, so just check us out online when you get a chance. We do rentals in central and northern Indiana, heavy equipment rentals. So give us a shout out, 765-206-3057. But I wanted to bring you guys a video today. This is my Bobcat 2014 Bobcat MT55 model. Weighs about 2,600 pounds. It is a workhorse. But I wanted to show you guys my platform that we had fabricated for this. This is the original platform for the Bobcat. But what happened was, went out on rent one day, and the wheel bent, and the bearings were damaged on the wheel, and Bobcat had changed the setup, the way it was set up, and I couldn't get it repaired, or the parts were going to be really expensive to replace it. I can't remember which one, but it was going to be expensive to replace the wheel, and then I was just worried about it happening again. So I just decided to just do a platform, a floating platform style instead. I had seen one online. Spartan makes one. You can buy that one online if you want. It's I think over $500 plus shipping, I believe. And then you can also get one on eBay. I think there's one on eBay for over $300, almost $400. But I still thought that was a little too expensive. So this is kind of how we did it. I used the original platform. I had the wheel back portion of it because it kind of floated up a little bit, and then it went up and then flat, and then the wheel was below that. So we had that cut off completely, and just kind of rounded the back edge there so it wouldn't cut anybody. Then we added the 1/4 inch plated steel, which you can see there, and we'll take that off here in just a minute and show you what it looks like from underneath. But that basically rests against the lifted up against the bottom of the machine steel, and you know, I'm 240 pounds. I can jump on that all day and it ain't moving. So that kind of holds it up and floats it. You can change the angle of that steel, how it rests against the Bobcat, if you want to raise the platform angle a little bit, but that pretty much made it level with the ground. So that's kind of how it looks at ground level. There you can see that. So it works out well, especially if you have a lot of weight on the front anyways. It's going to raise up the machine, so it's going to be even higher than what it sits right now. But we'll pull it off here and show you what it looks like. So this is the platform after I've removed it from the machine. There's the pins there. They just slide off. But this is the design that we did. I'm sure you can do it other ways. It's not too thick a steel, looks like 1/4 inch, but it's well designed. And basically this back plate right here, it just pushes against the bottom there, where that thick plate steel is on the machine, and it has just the right angle on it so that the platform sits high enough so it doesn't rub the ground and things like that. Now it still does rub, when you're going over bumps and up hills and things like that, but for the most part, most jobs of what you're doing, it's not going to rub. But that steel's so thick that doesn't even really matter anyways. It's not going to hurt anything. That's just kind of what it looks like from all angles there. So any questions, feel free to ask, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, I'll reply the same day. Thanks. Bye.